Shri Bhagwati presents Word Inserting Machine. A word inserting machine is a specialized piece of equipment used in the packaging industry to automatically insert words or seals into various types of containers, such as bottles, jars, or caps. These words are commonly used for sealing and tamper-evident packaging of products like pharmaceuticals, food items, cosmetics, and beverages. The word inserting machine includes mechanisms to orient and position individual words correctly. This could involve rotating mechanisms, conveyor belts, or vacuum systems to ensure the words are facing the right direction and are ready for insertion. As containers move through the machine, the words are transferred from the roll or stack and accurately placed into the designated area of the container. This process might involve mechanical arms, vacuum suction, or other methods to pick and place the words. In summary, a word inserting machine is a crucial tool for the packaging industry, automating the process of inserting words or seals into containers for secure and tamper-evident packaging. It improves efficiency, consistency, and product integrity while offering versatility for various industries and applications. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.